question here is 4 circles of a unit radius, each are drawn such that each one touches to two others and their center lies on the vertices of the squares. So the area of the region enclosed between these circles is, these are the options given. Okay, now here we can see these are the 4 circles. Okay, these are the 4 circles, they are touching to each other. So one circle is touching to others, 2, and its radius is 1 unit. Okay, so this is basically the radius of the circle, and this is 1 unit. Okay, so this is also 1 unit, this is also 1 unit, this is also 1 unit. Okay, and so their centers lies on the vertices of a square. So this is a square, so we can write that the square ABCD, correct. The area of the region enclosed between the circle. So basically we have to determine this area which is enclosed in between the circles. Okay, so what we'll do, we will first of all find out the area of the square, and from that we will subtract this area. Okay, this part of the circles from each circle that will subtract. Now if the radius is 1 unit, so basically the side of the square will be 2 unit. Okay, so side of a square I'll write here. Okay, side of a square will be 2 units. Therefore the area of square, area of the square will be equal to, we know that it's a side square, so we'll get basically it's 4 unit. So it's 4 unit. Now from this we have to subtract this area. Now if you'll see, this is 1/4 part of the circle, this is also 1/4. If you add, we'll get basically the if you add this area of this 4 part, 1 2 3 and 4, so basically we'll get the area of the circle, and we can write here the area of the circle as pi r square. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square, radius square, but radius is a unit, 1 unit, so it will be just 1, it will be just pi. Okay, so the area of the square is 4 unit minus the area of this 4 parts, so basically we'll get pi. Okay, so we'll get pi minus, okay, sorry, this is the 4 unit, so we can write down the 4 minus pi, because pi value is less than 4, and which is basically the square of this area of the square. So area of the square minus pi, it is nothing but the area enclosed. So I will write down this is the area enclosed in between the circle. So the option pi minus 4 minus pi is correct. So here we'll check. Yeah, so the option 4 is correct.